I will talk about how can you enable phone ID on your Amazon Alexa app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on more down here. When just click here on more, it's going to take you to this list. And all you have to do, so you just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then you click here on your profile and family here. Just click on it. You come to this list, so you just reach into open video like this. So then you go down, come here to phone ID, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Come here to phone ID, just click in this sign. So then you click here on allow. So just reach into open video here. Then here it's going to open video here when your Bluetooth is enabled video here. So then you click here on OK. So that's all you have to do now. Like you see, it's enabled with us. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.